Welcome to our video on resolving your blockage safely and effectively. Have you ever experienced the frustrating feeling of your ears being blocked, causing discomfort and affecting your hearing? You're not alone. Ear blockage is a common issue that can be caused by factors like excessive earwax, sinus congestion, allergies, or even flying on an airplane. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some easy and effective solutions. Let's start by discussing one of the most common causes of ear blockage: earwax buildup. When earwax accumulates and hardens, it can create a blockage that impacts your hearing. But fear not, you can safely remove earwax at home using a few simple steps. First, soften the earwax by applying a few drops of mineral oil or hydrogen peroxide to your ear canal. Gently tilt your head and let the solution sit for a few minutes. Then, tilt your head in the opposite direction and let the fluid and loosened earwax drain out onto a towel. Remember, never insert any sharp objects into your ears as it may cause injury. Another effective method for resolving your blockage is the Valsalva maneuver. It involves pinching your nostrils shut and gently blowing air out through your nose. This helps equalize the pressure in your ears, relieving blockage caused by changes in altitude or sinus congestion. If these methods don't provide relief, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional. They can examine your ears, diagnose the underlying issue, and recommend suitable treatment. So don't hesitate to seek medical advice if your ear blockage persists or worsens. We hope these tips have helped you understand how to safely and effectively resolve ear blockage. Remember, each person's situation may vary, so it's crucial to find the approach that works best for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more informative content.